Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Today, samahan niyo ako as we explore the Durham University Botanic Garden. Isang napakaganda at relaxing na lugar dito sa Durham. The garden is just a few minutes away from the Durham City Center. At sa sobrang laki nito, around 10 hektarya of woodlands and theme gardens. Pagpasok pa lang, parang nasa ibang mundo ka na. So, calm and peaceful. For the entrance fee, very affordable siya kasi 5 pounds lang siya sa adults at saka mga concession naman is 4.50 pounds only. Yun yung includes yung students, seniors, disabled. At ang good news, pag kids under 16s are free. Inside, ang dami mong makikita. May sections na inspired from different parts of the world. China, Japan, South Africa, New Zealand, North America, and even a bamboo grove. Each area feels like traveling without leaving Durham. Sa glass houses naman, ibang-iba rin ang experience. May tropical rainforest, desert cacti, at Mediterranean plants. At hindi lang plants, meron din mga stick insects, tarantulas, at scorpions. Sobrang interesting lalo na kung mahilig ka sa kakaibang display. At marami pang magagandang makikita rito na iba't ibang klase ng halaman at meron pa silang goldfish. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ako sa mga nakikita ko dito sa loob ng glass house. Sa labas, ang wildflower meadow ang isa sa mga pinaka-relaxing parts. Ang daming butterflies and bees. Tapos may mga hidden sculptures and artworks na pwede mong madiscover habang naglalakad. Kung magutom ka, don't worry. Meron silang cafe sa visitor center where you can buy your hot and cold drinks, snacks, and light meals. Doon mo rin mabibili yung mga tickets kung walk-in visitors ka. May gift shop din na may mga cute souvenirs, mugs, gardening tools, at iba pang pasalubong. Plus, very convenient kasi meron silang toilets, disabled access, at baby changing facilities. Kaya perfect for families with kids or elderly. For kids, meron din silang quiz trails and nature trails, educational pero fun. At kung gusto mo lang mag-relax, ang daming benches and picnic tables around the garden. What I really love about this place ay yung serenity. Parang perfect spot to reconnect with nature, spend time with family, or just enjoy a quiet walk. So if you ever visiting Durham, make sure to check out the Durham's University Botanic Garden. Promise, it's worth it. Thank you for joining me today. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or follow for more travel and lifestyle vlogs. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye! God bless everyone. Spread love.